Hi, Mom and Sir. I am Arlene Ramos Rodriguez. I am 33 years old, a single mother. I am blessed with 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. Their age is 15 years old, 13 years old, and 9 years old. And also, I am a high school graduate. My work experience are, I work in Saudi Arabia for 6 years as a domestic helper with the family members of 5. My main duties and responsibilities in their families is cooking, baking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, gardening, car wash, and sometimes I go with the driver to do the marketing. And also I work in Dubai with a family member of 5 for 5 months from September 2023 to February 2024. I break my contract to my employer due to some emergencies here in Philippines that I need to attend urgently. But I do, uh, but I do assure you that we do separately in a good terms. Ma'am and sir, I am a happy person, reliable, trustworthy, loyal, respectful, and I can do work without a supervision. I can follow instruction. I know how to cook, but I am willing to learn more to enhance my skill. And I hope you're having a good day. That's all. Thank you. God bless.